Imagine walking into a Tesla showroom and walking out with a smartphone that's more powerful than the iPhone 16 Pro Max for less than the price of a pair of sneakers. That's not science fiction. It's not a leak. It's real. Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell, and Apple didn't see it coming. The 2027 Tesla Starlink Pi phone is here, priced at a mind-blowing $239. It isn't just another phone. It's a declaration of war against overpriced tech, and the moment it hits the shelves, the entire smartphone industry, especially Apple, is going to feel the tremor. But how is this even possible? What features could possibly justify calling this the iPhone killer? And is this truly the beginning of the end for Apple? Stick around, because we're peeling back the layers of Musk's master plan, and you're going to want to hear every second of it. Let's start with the price. Apple's iPhone cost nearly $1,200, but the Pi phone is just $239. That's not a typo, that's not a rumor, that's Tesla rewriting the rules of what a phone should cost and what it should do. So how does Tesla pull this off? It all starts with control. Tesla doesn't just build the phone, they own the supply chain. Every screw, every chip, every panel is crafted through vertically integrated production right in Texas. No inflated markups from overseas manufacturers, no bloated contracts with third-party suppliers. Tesla even reuses aerospace-grade aluminum from SpaceX rockets to build each device, driving down material costs by more than 40%. And the cost advantages don't stop there. While Apple relies on global production partners that eat into profits and inflate prices, Tesla is automating the process with precision robotics in its Austin Gigafactory. These robots assemble phones at 95% efficiency, slashing production costs by nearly a third. Even retail is reimagined. By selling directly through Tesla showrooms and pop-up stores, there are no middlemen, no retail markups, no shipping costs. Oh, and every Pi phone comes with a free 6-month subscription to Starlink. Think about that. A phone that literally connects to space. If you're excited about this kind of innovation and want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Tesla isn't just disrupting phones. They're redefining the idea of a device. This isn't just a slab of glass and metal. It's a portal to an entire ecosystem. The Pi phone links seamlessly with your Tesla vehicle, Powerwall, solar roof, and of course, Starlink satellite service. Forget toggling apps. You can summon your car, control your home's energy, and stay online even in the middle of nowhere. With over 2.5 million Starlink users already, Tesla sees massive upside. If even 10% of Pi phone users convert after their free trial, Tesla adds nearly $1 billion in recurring revenue. That's the brilliance behind Musk's madness. Sell the phone cheap, own the customer. Tesla is planting seeds, and they know exactly where they want them to grow. The Pi phone's astrophotography mode taps into Starlink data to capture celestial bodies. Think 8K video, 60 frames per second, professional-grade stabilization, and real-time AI object recognition. This isn't a phone camera, it's a studio, telescope, and cinematographer rolled into one. Even the display is revolutionary. Transparent solar cells built into a 2000-nit screen. Self-healing Gorilla Glass, micro-LED tech that cuts power use by nearly half. It's durable, vibrant, and so futuristic it feels unreal. A solar-charging, space-connected, Neuralink-ready superphone made with rocket-grade materials, powered by Tesla AI, and priced under $250? If you're still clinging to your iPhone after hearing this, maybe you've been hypnotized by that glowing Apple logo. But for everyone else, this is your escape route. Tesla is offering real progress, real freedom, and real ownership, and a price that makes you feel respected. Musk isn't just selling a phone, he's selling a future. Is this the end of Apple's dominance, or just the beginning of a new kind of tech revolution? Comment below with yes if you believe Tesla just shook the foundation of Silicon Valley. And hey, before you click away, make sure to subscribe. We'll be covering the Pi phones every update. Thanks for watching.